Welcome again, guys, to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today we're going to make a very quick Bunjal Channa, Bunjal chickpeas. And for that, we need some chickpeas, right? So I have some chickpeas here, which I have seasoned. I have marinated with, it was marinated with some gerah, some ground gerah, roasted ground gerah, some curry powder, some bullion powder, and just a little bit of salt. So I had this marinated sitting here so that it can absorb the flavors and everything. So this is my actually this is the first time I'm doing it like this, and I'm going to try it out to see how it comes out. For the fresh seasonings, I have here some thyme. I have some cilantro here. I have a piece of hot pepper. I have some butter. We're gonna bunjal this in some butter and some avocado oil. We'll use some avocado oil. And I have half of an onion here, and I have like two or three cloves of garlic. So we're gonna put this all in the pan and just let it start to wilt and release its flavor, and then we'll add our chickpeas. And we'll do a wonderful Bunjal chickpeas today. So let's move over to the pot. So I first put the butter in there. It's about a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to use about a tablespoon of avocado oil. Tablespoon of that. The butter is going to give it some flavor to the dish. And we're going to be working on medium heat as usual. So let's get our aromatics in there. I like to get my thyme in there first. Let that start crackling. The onions and the garlic. The hot pepper, I'm going to wait for a while before I put that in, because if you leave that in there too long, it heats up everything. But I took some of the seeds out. I took most of the seeds out. So we want this to be here for about a minute or so. And within that time, for a pinch of bullion powder and a pinch of regular salt, just to let it release its flavors. So we're going to let this cook for a minute, and we'll be back. Now that my onions, garlic, and thyme has wilted and cooked a little, time to add the chickpeas in here. And add the chickpeas and a little bit of the marinade. So this has been sitting in this little masala marinade for about an hour. Now I'm just going to mix in the fresh herbs. Whilst everything else starts to cook, it's starting to release that wonderful aroma from the jeera and the cumin, and the roasted masala. You actually want every chickpea to be, to get the heat. So, let me show you what I did with the chickpeas. It's some canned chickpeas. I used 3 cans of chickpeas, and I drained them well, and I rinsed them. I gave them a rinse before I put the seasoning on them. I want this to cook very nicely. To really give it a chance to do its thing there. I'm going to cover it. And it's on medium heat. Or we're going to just let it start to cook and bunjal, get that bunjal thing going there. And we're going to put the hot peppers in there shortly. I'll open after 3 or 4 minutes and give it a stir. And if you like your chickpeas soft, you can add just a touch of chicken broth or beef broth, any broth. I'm going to add a touch of broth, and that broth is going to soften it. It's going to dry out, and you'll get the effect that you're looking for. I added the broth, a quarter cup of broth, and I stirred it in. I also added a little more the gerah, the ground gerah, and a little bit of curry powder. Give it a little more color. And I brought a quarter cup of broth. We're going to cover it. And we're going on medium all the time, medium to low heat. And it's working well. So after about 3 minutes or so, the broth is dried out. And it's tender. The chickpeas is nice and tender. And here we have it. A nice quick side dish. Or this could even be a main dish if you want to have some meat to go with it. You know, we always need our legumes or fiber. So, it's nice and soft. Yeah. And it's not mushy. It's not, you don't want it to get mushy. Still be a little firm, but tender. And you have the little heat coming through here from the hot pepper. So there you have it. Some lovely Bunjal chickpeas or Bunjal Channa. Guyanese style. Once again, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next clip. And this is also a Guyanese street food where we get it. You can purchase this on the street, and usually it's sold along with some mango sour. That's a condiment. Yeah, I made some mango sour also to go with that. And it's a delicious, delectable little treat that you can have as you're walking along the street or just hanging out. And it's a very good snack item. So it's Bunjal Channa, Bunjal chickpeas, and we'll give it a taste. So here we go. Cheers. All the notes are there. I'm glad I marinated it and left it sitting. That I left it sitting in for at least a half an hour to an hour. It absorbs everything. You can taste it down to the core. And the other seasonings that I added later are also there. So if you try this recipe, I know you're going to be successful with some Bunjal Channa or Bunjal chickpeas. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip.